Hi YouTube, Bobby from Buff here. I just installed something on my truck. As you guys know, I am not much of a automotive guy. I build costumes primarily, but I thought I'd try my hand at an upgrade on my 2008 Ford F-150. This truck only has 83,000 miles, so I wanted to breathe a little life into it and just make it a little more exciting to drive again. So I added these KC lights and this Tyger Bull Bar to the front. I did it all myself. The Bull Bar installs into the existing hooks, the tow hooks that were on the F-150 to begin with. I just removed those and replaced it with this Bull Bar. It took about 3 hours for me. Again, I'm not a regular automotive guy. And the KC lights, it took me about 3 hours to install those as well. Just do a quick walk around here and show you what I did, because I'm kind of proud of myself for accomplishing this. The Bull Bar does prevent, you from using one hand to open the hood. Okay, so there we go. I've got the KC lights installed here. I'm just going to run you through how I installed them. I don't know if this is correct or not, but this is what I did. The lights come out, goes into the harness there. I ran the harness along the back of the Bull Bar, and then I threaded it through the bottom of the bumper there. It goes inside right there, then comes out on the back side of this, comes up here. I zip tied all of these wires together. There's where I mounted the relay. I had to drill a little hole and I mounted the relay right there. Then from there goes over to the plus side on the battery, and then I just ran the wires around through there, and then the trickiest part was getting the wires through the firewall. So I'm just going to show you how I did that. There's the wire right there. It goes down, I don't know if you can see that, down inside there, and I ran it through the grommet where there was an existing wire. The way I did that was I punched a hole with an awl through the grommet, and I left the awl in place so that I knew where I was looking for. Again, I'm not an automotive guy, so this was tricky for me. Slide my seat back, and it punches through right here. Oh, you can see I forgot to snip the zip tie there. So that's where the wires poke through. They run up, and I ran them behind the pedals, and then it comes up towards the front here. You can see the button I installed. I never realized how easily this can be removed, this panel. You literally just give it a pull, like a little tug in the right spot, and it removes just like that. So there's the wires on the back side of the button. Flip that on, and we can go around, and I'll show you. There we go. So these are the KC halogen Apollo Pro 6-inch lights. The wiring harness that it comes with is long enough for a Ford F-150 2008, but just barely. There's really no extra, there's not a lot of extra wire. It just barely fit from where I mounted it, you know, through the bumper there and back up. So, all right, hope this helps someone else do this upgrade. I think I spent a total of about $500 doing this upgrade, between all the parts, maybe a little less, maybe more like 400. Anyways, I just thought I would breathe some life into this older pickup and just get some more use out of it. I hope this helps. Have a great day. Bye.